Williamsburg, situated in the U.S. state of Virginia, stands as one of America's most historically rich cities, rooted deeply in the colonial past of the nation. Established in 1632 as Middle Plantation, Williamsburg became the capital of the Virginia colony in 1699, a position it maintained until 1780. This shift in capitals from Jamestown to Williamsburg occurred due to the fear of insect-borne diseases and the strategic value of being more inland. The founding of the town was formalized by the construction of the College of William and Mary in 1693, which is the second oldest college in America. Named in honor of the reigning monarchs of England, King William III and Queen Mary II, the college played an essential role in educating young colonial men and leaders like Thomas Jefferson, John Marshall, and James Monroe. During the 18th century, Williamsburg thrived economically and politically, becoming the largest and wealthiest town in the Virginia colony. The city was the backdrop for numerous pivotal events that would influence the direction of colonial America. It was here that the Virginia House of Burgesses, the first elected legislative assembly in the New World, met to discuss and address the issues of the colony. With the tensions rising between the American colonies and the British Crown, Williamsburg became a focal point of revolutionary zeal and sentiment. In the lead-up to the Revolutionary War, the city's residents, including Patrick Henry and Peyton Randolph, were influential in the push towards independence. The gunpowder incident in 1775, when Lord Dunmore, the royal governor, removed gunpowder from the Williamsburg magazine, escalated tensions and rallied colonial resistance. The city's fortunes fluctuated post-revolution. By 1780, the capital was moved to Richmond to position it further away from British attacks, which led to a decline in Williamsburg's importance and prosperity. For decades, Williamsburg remained a quiet and relatively less significant town until the early 20th century. The renaissance of Williamsburg came with the restoration of its historic district, known as Colonial Williamsburg. Initiated by Dr. W.E.R. Goodwin and supported financially by philanthropist John D. Rockefeller Jr., the restoration project began in 1926. It aimed to preserve and recreate the ambience of the 18th century colonial capital. Today, Colonial Williamsburg is a living history museum, allowing visitors to step back in time and experience life as it might have been in colonial America. Williamsburg's enduring legacy as a cradle of American colonial history and its wonderfully preserved architecture make it a popular tourist destination for those wishing to connect with the nation's roots. The city's historical significance is palpable through its cobblestone streets and preserved buildings, offering visitors a glimpse into the pivotal moments of American history that unfolded there.